Hello mga Kimpo fans. Eto na nga guys, 'di ba? Ayan, sinagot ni Kim Chiu kung anong i-advise na ibibigay niya doon sa mga taong takot magmahal o mag-inlove. Ito guys, pakinggan natin. Yan ang sabi.
Label, ano ba mga advice sa mga takot mag-label? Lala, ikaw tinanong.
Yung advice ko kasi lagi, ano lang subukan mo lang lahat para malaman mo kung anong gusto mo.
Hala, grabe naman yung subukan lahat. Nakakatakot naman. Eh di pa ulit-ulit ako masasaktan kung susubukan ko lahat.
So paano mo mahanap kung sino talaga yung para sa'yo, di ba? Kung sino talaga yung gusto mo, kung hindi ka papasok or hindi mo kikilalanin ng mabuti yung mga kasama mo.
Parang sapatos lang. Sukat lang ng sukat hanggat sa
hanapin mo kung anong bagay sa'yo.
mahanap mo yung bagay sa'yo at yung para sa'yo. Ah! Ginawang sapatos yung sarili. Pwede ba yun? Pero syempre to all the women na takot magmahal, wag sila matakot mag-love kasi pain naman is part of growing up and pain will really shape you.
Yun nga, naging advice ni Kim at ni Paolo, di ba? So parang sa mga tao takot mag-label or mag-in-love ng isang relasyon, ayun, yun ang sagot niya dyan. So ito naman guys, nung in-introduce ng host ang the superstar of their generation, or sabi natin, the people's superstar, Kim Pao. Yan. Sobrang dami ng tao guys sa LA kung saan ginanap ang kanilang exclusive fan and meet or meet and greet. Ayan guys. Grabe mga tanong dito guys. So eto, papakinggan nyo. Grabe mga tanong. Very personal to mga tanong sa akin. About love lahat talaga. So ito guys, so ayan, i-introduce na ng host ang Kim Pao.
Rush the stage to stay in your seats, and we're gonna do a groupie picture later with all of these exclusive fans. But I need you to give them the loudest, the biggest welcome you can have, because you are Los Angeles, to Kim Pao. Ladies and gentlemen, Kim Chiu and Paolo Avellino!
Hello! Hi! Aray ko, sorry. Hello! Hi po! Magandang umaga! Ala! Napakabongga naman natin dito.
Mayong buntag. Magandang umaga, Pao.
Hello, good
Good
morning.
morning. Welcome to LA.
Hello.
From Avelo Cebuano, welcome to Los Angeles.
Hi, thank you so much. Hello!
Oh, please, guys, have a seat, because we're going to have some questions for you later. Or actually, right now. All right, so let's start with the Q&A, shall we? All right, guys, have a seat, everybody. Let's give them some breathing room to relax, because they're going to have some questions. So the first question I would love to call is Red Messina of Kim Pao Universe. Red Messina, where are you? All right, there you are. Can we get a mic to Red Messina? Oh, there you go. I got it. Thank you.
Hello. Bati muna kami.
Oo nga.
Bati muna kami.
Ayan, hello. Good morning po sa inyong lahat. Ayan, ang saya na makita po kayo dito sa LA. Wow, nasa LA tayo nagpo-promote. Thank you so much, diba? Napakabongga talaga ng Star Cinema. And sa lahat na nanonood sa amin online via Star Cinema YouTube. Tama ba ako? Star Cinema YouTube. Hello, good morning. And good morning and madaling araw sa Pilipinas.
Good morning rin.
And good morning din. So yun, maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga nandito ngayon. Thank you, and thank you for supporting me and Paolo. Thank you so much.
And first of all, I want to thank everyone for your time, for coming here. Thank you for your support, and ayan, Sana mapanood niyo yung pelikula paglabas dito. Nakikita namin yung mga tweets ng mga ibang taong taga dito. And may surprise kami later this evening.
Today, ay, mamaya ba?
Pwede bang sabihin?
Mamayang
Meron
gabi?
kaming bagong, lalabas na yung trailer 2.
Trailer 2!
This evening. Yan, medyo...
Director's
feeling ko
cut.
Mas magugustuhan nyo kasi
Mas gusto ni Paolo.
mas romantic naman itong trailer 2. Yan lang, thank you.
All right, so should we start with the questions?
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
all right. But what's your name, Muna?
I'm Red Mencina from K-pop Universe.
All right, let's give a round of applause, guys.
Hello! Welcome back to the US!
Hello, yes. Oo nga. Hello, hello.
Congratulations for the movie. And Kim, the sari as a character is actually very fitting for the March event because it's International Women's Month, by the way.
Yes.
So, happy
Sa lahat
International
ng
Women's
mga
Month.
nandito, mga mabuhay ang lahat ng mga babae. Makiisa ka sa amin.
Mabuhay ang lahat ng kababaihan na nagsilang sa aming mga lalaki.
Yes.
So, here's the question then. What would you advise an independent, very strong woman who actually stopped believing in having love and decided not to enter into a labeled relationship?
Wow, pa-Miss Universe pala yung tanong. Hi, my name is Kimberly Suyap Chu, born in Tacloban. I'm a Cebuana and a proud Filipina. Standing in front of you. Grabe naman pa-Miss Universe naman yung tanong na yon. What is my advice? Diyos ko, gusto ko din advisean niya rin ako. Kasi, alam mo naman, gusto ko na rin naman. Ay! Hoy! Charot lang.
Nagkakape pa kasi ako, di ba?
Ay, please,
Gusto
magkape
mo
ka
ba?
pa. Ay! Baka iligo ko na to. Para magising din. Charot lang. Advice to all the women who are scared to fall in love again. Labeled relationship. Asawa. Pwede naman boyfriend, girlfriend muna. With label. Sabi nga sa Nido, di ba? Check the label. Uy, kung na-expire na o hindi. Uy! Sasagutin ko ba talaga? Advice? Siyempre yung love naman, hindi naman talaga yan may pagkakaila. Parang, etong movie na to, yan yung magiging sagot sa lahat ng mga takot magmahal or takot na lagyan ng label. Label? Ano ba mga advice sa mga takot mag-label? Wala, ikaw tinanong.
Yung advice ko kasi lagi, subukan mo lang lahat para malaman mo kung anong gusto mo.
Hala, grabe naman yung subukan lahat. Nakakatakot naman. Eh, di pa ulit-ulit ako masasaktan kung susubukan ko lahat.
So, paano mo mahanap kung sino talaga yung para sa'yo, di ba? Kung sino talaga yung gusto mo, kung hindi ka papasok or hindi mo kikilalanin ng mabuti yung mga kasama mo.
Parang sapatos lang. Sukat lang ng sukat hanggat sa
Hanggang hanapin mo kung anong bagay sa'yo.
mahanap mo yung bagay sa'yo at yung para sa'yo. Ah! Ginawang sapatos yung sarili. Pwede ba yun? Pero syempre to all the women na takot magmahal, wag sila matakot mag-love kasi pain naman is part of growing up and pain will really shape you. So kung sino man yung magiging ikaw in the coming future. Kaya huwag ka matakot masaktan, okay lang yan. Pati bayan na to, Women's Month nga, di ba? So, lahat ng emotions pinagdadaanan ng isang babae. But at the end of the day, we still remain strong. We're very resilient. And ang daming pinagdadaanan ng katawan ng babae, wala sinabi sa katawan ng lalaki. Hoy! Talo ka! Mas marami kami babae. Pero being a
Ayun nga, guys,
woman,
ang
dapat
sagot
mahalin
nila
natin yung
about
sarili
dun sa
natin.
tanong.
That's the
Ayan.
first
Yan ang unang
one.
tanong
First
sa kanila.
advice. Kasi
About
hindi ka
sa
makakapagbigay ng
love,
love kung hindi mo
about sa
ganun ka-love
movie,
yung sarili
and
mo.
all,
So before all the label, you have to love
naganap
yourself first.
na
And give yourself respect.
parang
So yan lang.
pangin
Mabuhay
dyan
lahat ng
sa
mga
LA.
babae.
Ayan, so, ayan ang sagot nila. So,
I love that.
ayan,
So
abangan
parang
nyo
like,
ang
if you
susunod
can't
na
love
video, guys.
yourself, how
Thank you so much.
Yes, di ba?
And don't forget
lagi
to
ka lang
subscribe
kung hindi mo ganun
and
ka-love
like
yourself
and
mo,
share this
lagi ka lang
video.
mag-chase ng love para yun yung maging parang approval mo. So, dapat love yourself first.
Sakto,
Ang dami
Jod,
ko
right?
sinabi.
Self-love. Exactly. All right, so we have another question for you guys. Is that okay? Are you guys ready? Baka another Miss Universe question or Mr. Universe question from...
Yes, Mr. Universe from Baguio City, please.
So, all right, so who is Catherine of Kim Pao, the other side? Where are you at? Hi, Catherine. Guys, let's give her a round of applause. The world is watching.
Hello, Kim and Pao. I'm Catherine from San Diego, representing San Diego.
All right, San Diego.
Okay, here's the question. Given your role, what is your perspective in the current state of the entertainment industry in the Philippines, and are you guys going to try to step into the Hollywood world?
Siya yan.
All right, Mr. Universe.
Translator, please. Joke. Well, speaking of the current state of the film industry in the Philippines, it's always a struggle. We've been struggling ever since the pandemic, and until this day, we've been struggling. Star Cinema has been blessed, very blessed with box office hits lately, but it doesn't represent the whole industry. So we're trying, where everyone's trying to come out with better content or better content for our fellow Filipinos, and getting into Hollywood. It's baby steps, baby steps. I always feel that we should start in our country first before we should go out. But like what Star Cinema and ABS-CBN is doing, we also cater to all the Filipinos abroad. As we all know, we have a lot of Filipinos worldwide. And we can start from there, then we'll see where it can go. But ang priority talaga namin ay mga Pilipino dahil kayo naman talagang sumuporta sa aming mga pelikula, sa mga teleserye ng ABS. So you guys are the priority.
Nice. Thank you, Paolo. And Paolo, you're absolutely right. I mean, yung industriya talaga, it feels like it's shrinking even here in Hollywood rin, no? And so we need every single person to go out there and buy a ticket to the movie. Bring your non-Filipino friends because it looks like this movie is sexy. They're gonna love it. And
Rated